Hey, J-Bros popping in here. Yeah, I just wanted to give you an update. I went and bought some counterweights on the web. I was going to go have some made, and then I was looking for some on Marketplace, and I said, you know what the heck? I'm going to try to find a counterweight, suitcase weight that anybody can find on the web. So what I did is I bought 81 pounds each New Holland suitcase weights. Reason why I went with 81 pounds a piece, I was like, they had some that were 100 pounds, but I was like, 100 pounds, that's kind of heavy for me to be lifting off and on. And then, okay, well, 80 pounds, times 2, 160 pounds. God, I should be able to almost do whatever I need to do with the weight. And my main objective, and I guess the reason why I'm getting this out to you right now, for one, I'm excited. And for two, I didn't realize they already shipped them out this morning. They left this operation and they're going to be to me tomorrow, somewhere between 10:30 and 2:30. Well, the good part about tomorrow is it's Friday and Dad and I have started basically back up on Friday shop day. So we're going to dive into that a little bit. But also what I end up picking up around here, because it's so messy, I picked up one of these carts for my tools. Put that together. I scored this on the store by me for $100. I ended up getting two of them because I was like, well, if Dad's working on something, he's got a cart and I got a cart. But yeah, there's the one cart over there, and this is the cart here. But yeah, $100 for that tool cart, I think that's great. And the reason why I need it is if you see my tool cart over here, this thing's a Barbie doll one. Does it look like I got too many hand tools? Yeah. So that's why I did that. And then the other thing that I was working on, I did get my nuts and bolt room here full of crap. So look at all that junk. And this is not even all of it. And this still needs to get organized big time. But I was kind of get to the point where I was just throwing stuff in here. So what that allowed me to do was get that stuff organized. And that doesn't even look organized because I took all the crap from over there, put it in there, and then the stuff that was kind of on the floor, I threw it over there. But as you can see, there was a shelf here and whatnot that I cleared out. And then those had a bunch of junk on them as well. But with that being said, enough babble on that front. Gonna pop in tomorrow and yeah, get a video out to you on these counterweights. I'm insanely excited about them. Like I said, I'm gonna try to find a way or how I do it, because I don't know exactly how big it is. It didn't really have the description, but I would love for it to, let's say, I think I would like it lower because I've seen that, but I'd like for it to like hook on something up here, because that's what it's got, as a hook. And then there's like a hole in the counterweight that I'd like to basically maybe put a pin through to where it's easily removable. Because I don't know if I want to have it on there all the time, but I guess that's to be determined on how it gets done. But whatever I do, I want it to be able to hook on easy and come off easy. So I'll be coming up with something that needs to be modified or who knows. But yeah, that's all I got for you. Just a quick one. So yeah, I've got counterweights on the way. They're black and should look pretty cool. And I'm excited because with my bucket, because it is so heavy, it should just balance out my machine. And honestly, I don't even know if I'll probably ever remove it, because with the weight that my bucket has, there's obviously more weight to the front than there probably should be. So I think it should work out pretty good. That's why I went with the 280-pound suitcase weights to get me 160 pounds. I think it should balance out great. Anyway, please like, subscribe, comment down below. J-Bros out.